Hi, I'm Kiano, and today I am making my golden cinnamon buns. To start the dough, I'm going to dissolve the yeast in some warm milk and melted butter. Using warm ingredients will help activate the yeast so your cinnamon buns get a nice fluffy rise. Once the yeast is dissolved, we can add in the remaining wet ingredients followed by the dry ingredients, including the spices. Ground turmeric is what gives these buns that bright golden yellow color. Knead the dough until it is sticky and starts to slightly pull away from the bowl and allow it to proof for 1 hour. After 1 hour of proofing, the dough should be a little bit taller and incredibly soft. Turn out the dough onto a well-floured surface and shape into a rectangle. Brush the top of the dough with some melted butter so the cinnamon sugar mix has something to stick to. To roll the dough, start from the edge closest to your body and roll upwards, being a little bit tight, but being careful not to stretch the dough. Cut the dough into 9 even pieces and place in the greased baking dish and cover to proof once again. You know your buns are ready for the oven when they're just about touching the top of your baking dish. The buns are going to bake at 350 degrees until golden brown. While the buns are baking, I'm going to prepare a simple cream cheese icing. It's important to make sure that both the cream cheese and butter are at room temperature so it can be nice and smooth. If you prefer a thinner icing, just add a couple more tablespoons of milk, but I personally love it thick so I can spread it right on top of the warm buns. And if you do have any extra icing, make sure you serve it on the side for any icing lovers in your household. And most importantly, make sure you're serving your buns warm out the oven.